Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Maximizing fuel efficiency, the impact of a clogged air cleaner. Are you experiencing excessive fuel consumption in your vehicle? One common culprit for this issue can be a clogged air cleaner. When the air cleaner becomes clogged, it restricts the flow of air into the engine, causing an imbalance in the air-to-fuel ratio. This imbalance can lead to inefficient combustion, resulting in higher fuel consumption. In this video, we will delve into the relationship between excessive fuel consumption and a clogged air cleaner, as well as provide insights into diagnosing and addressing this issue. Please give us a comment, like and share, and please subscribe to our channel. We work hard to bring you great content and would love your appreciation. Understanding excessive fuel consumption. Excessive fuel consumption can be a frustrating and costly issue for vehicle owners. Understanding the causes and impact of excessive fuel consumption is crucial for maintaining optimal vehicle performance. Causes of excessive fuel consumption. Poor driving habits. Aggressive acceleration, speeding, and sudden braking can significantly increase fuel consumption. Mechanical issues. Faulty oxygen sensors, dirty fuel injectors, and worn spark plugs can lead to inefficient fuel combustion. Underinflated tires. Improper tire pressure increases rolling resistance and forces the engine to work harder, consuming more fuel. Air conditioning usage. Constant use of the air conditioning system can lead to higher fuel consumption, especially at higher speeds. Impact of excessive fuel consumption on vehicle performance. Reduced efficiency. Excessive fuel consumption diminishes fuel efficiency, leading to more frequent trips to the gas station and increased operating costs. Environmental impact. Higher fuel consumption contributes to increased carbon emissions, negatively impacting the environment. Diminished power. Inefficient fuel usage can result in reduced engine power and overall vehicle performance, affecting acceleration and responsiveness. Understanding these causes and impacts of excessive fuel consumption is essential for drivers seeking to maintain optimal vehicle performance and reduce operational expenses. Identifying and addressing these issues promptly can lead to significant improvements in both fuel efficiency and overall vehicle health. Importance of the air cleaner. Maintaining an efficient air cleaner is crucial for optimizing fuel consumption and ensuring the smooth operation of your vehicle. Let's explore the function of the air cleaner and the detrimental effects of a clogged air cleaner on fuel efficiency. Function of the air cleaner. The air cleaner, also known as the air filter, is a vital component of the engine's intake system. Its primary function is to prevent contaminants such as dust, dirt, and debris from entering the engine. By trapping these particles, the air cleaner protects the engine from damage and ensures that only clean air flows into the combustion chamber. This clean air is essential for the proper mixing of air and fuel, ultimately contributing to optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Effects of a clogged air cleaner on fuel consumption. A clogged air cleaner can significantly impact fuel consumption and engine performance. When the air filter becomes saturated with impurities, it obstructs the flow of air into the engine, leading to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. This imbalance can result in inefficient combustion, causing the engine to compensate by burning more fuel to maintain power output. As a result, the vehicle's fuel consumption increases, leading to decreased mileage and higher fuel costs. Additionally, restricted airflow due to a clogged air cleaner can disrupt the engine's fuel-to-air ratio, leading to inadequate combustion and reduced power output. This not only diminishes fuel efficiency but also results in sluggish acceleration and overall decreased performance. In essence, the air cleaner acts as the first line of defense against contaminants that can compromise engine performance and fuel efficiency. Ensuring the proper function of this component is essential for minimizing excessive fuel consumption and maintaining the overall health of the vehicle's engine. Signs of a clogged air cleaner. Air filters play a crucial role in maintaining the optimal performance of your vehicle's engine. A clogged air cleaner can lead to a range of issues, affecting both the car's performance and fuel efficiency. Here are the key signs to look out for. Decreased acceleration and power. When the air cleaner is clogged, it restricts the airflow into the engine, impacting the air-fuel mixture. As a result, the engine may experience decreased acceleration and power. You might notice a sluggish response when accelerating or a struggle to reach higher speeds, indicating a potential issue with the air cleaner. Reduced fuel efficiency. A clogged air cleaner can lead to a higher demand for fuel to compensate for the restricted airflow. This can result in reduced fuel efficiency, causing you to make more frequent stops at the gas station. If you find yourself refueling more often than usual, it could be a sign that the air cleaner needs attention. Ensuring that your air cleaner is clean and free from debris is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Regular inspection and replacement of the air filter can help prevent these issues and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Preventing excessive fuel consumption due to a clogged air cleaner. Regular air cleaner maintenance. Regular air cleaner maintenance is crucial in preventing excessive fuel consumption due to a clogged air cleaner. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate in the air filter, obstructing the flow of air to the engine. This can lead to an overly rich air-fuel mixture, resulting in increased fuel consumption. By adhering to a regular maintenance schedule, such as inspecting and cleaning the air filter at recommended intervals, drivers can ensure optimal airflow and combustion efficiency, thereby minimizing fuel wastage. It is advisable to visually inspect the air filter during every oil change or vehicle service. Additionally, following the manufacturer's guidelines for air filter replacement is paramount. Neglecting to replace a clogged or worn-out air filter can have detrimental effects on fuel economy, as the engine will have to work harder to draw in air, consuming more fuel in the process. Therefore, incorporating regular air filter maintenance as part of the vehicle care routine can contribute to improved fuel efficiency and prolonged engine life. Quality of air filter replacement. When it comes to preventing excessive fuel consumption, the quality of the air filter replacement plays a pivotal role. Opting for high-quality, OEM, original equipment manufacturer, or reputable aftermarket air filters can significantly impact fuel efficiency. While budget filters may seem economical, they often compromise on filtration efficiency and durability, leading to quicker clogging and reduced engine performance. Investing in a premium air filter ensures better filtration of impurities and particulate matter, thereby maintaining a consistent flow of clean air to the engine. This not only safeguards against excessive fuel consumption but also promotes smoother engine operation and prolongs the intervals between filter replacements. Therefore, prioritizing the quality of air filter replacements can yield long-term cost savings through improved fuel economy and reduced engine wear and tear. In conclusion, by incorporating regular air cleaner maintenance and selecting high-quality air filter replacements, drivers can effectively mitigate the risk of excessive fuel consumption due to a clogged air cleaner. These simple yet essential measures not only contribute to cost savings but also support optimal engine performance and environmental sustainability. Steps to improve fuel efficiency. Proper tire inflation. Ensuring that your tires are properly inflated can significantly improve fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires can increase rolling resistance, causing the engine to work harder and burn more fuel. Regularly check your tire pressure using a reliable gauge and inflate it to the recommended pressure level specified in the vehicle manual or on the driver's side door jamb. Properly inflated tires not only enhance fuel efficiency but also contribute to better handling and safety on the road. Smooth driving habits. Practicing smooth driving habits can also help improve fuel efficiency. Aggressive acceleration and abrupt braking not only pose safety risks but can also lead to excessive fuel consumption. Maintain a steady speed, accelerate gradually, and anticipate stops to reduce the need for sudden braking. Additionally, using cruise control on highways can help maintain a consistent speed and prevent unnecessary fuel wastage due to erratic driving patterns. By implementing these simple yet effective measures, you can enhance your vehicle's fuel efficiency while also promoting a safer and more economical driving experience. Seeking professional help. Regular vehicle maintenance is essential for keeping your car running efficiently. Consulting a mechanic is crucial when you notice signs of excessive fuel consumption and a clogged air cleaner. Here's why. Importance of regular vehicle maintenance. Maintaining your vehicle regularly can help prevent issues such as clogged air cleaners, which can lead to excessive fuel consumption. By having a professional inspect and service your vehicle at recommended intervals, you can catch potential problems early and ensure that your car is running at its best. Consulting a mechanic. When faced with issues like excessive fuel consumption and a clogged air cleaner, seeking the expertise of a qualified mechanic is the best course of action. A skilled mechanic can diagnose the root cause of the problem, perform necessary repairs, and provide valuable advice on preventing similar issues in the future. Professional help ensures that your car receives the attention it needs to function optimally, saving you time and money in the long run. In conclusion, excessive fuel consumption and a clogged air cleaner can significantly impact the performance and efficiency of your vehicle. It is crucial to address these issues promptly to ensure optimal fuel economy and engine function. By regularly maintaining and inspecting your air cleaner and addressing any fuel system issues, you can improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency and prevent potential damage to the engine. Prioritizing these maintenance tasks will not only save you money on fuel costs but also extend the lifespan of your vehicle. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.